Nick Aversa here. We get a lot of questions from dealers about how different parts compare to each other. Since choosing the right part is so important to the functioning of our products and to what your customers think of you, I thought I'd do a couple of segments explaining the benefits of certain parts. Let's start with a question from Walter in Utah. I know they help maintain the warranty and that they are UL certified, but are there any other specific benefits to choosing factory authorized parts when it comes to filter dryers? Thanks, Walt. Great question, Walt. As a matter of fact, there are specific differences. The first of which is desiccant mix. Factory authorized parts filter dryers are composed of 100% molecular sieve, while aftermarket dryers often contain only 25%. This makes factory authorized parts filter dryers keep refrigerant at low water concentration and helps prevent freeze-up, rust, and acid formation. The next difference is the size of that desiccant sieve. The size of factory authorized parts filter dryer sieve allows for minimal lubricant depletion, where aftermarket filter dryers may not have enough water capacity to solve co-absorption issues. Another big difference is dirt filtration capability. Factory authorized parts filter dryers provide the maximum filtration of contaminants, while the generic design of aftermarket filter dryers often does not maximize dirt filtration capability. And what about water capacity? R410A aftermarket dryers often have too little drying agent, so they can't remove as much water. Factory authorized parts dryers, on the other hand, are Puron compatible, so they minimize the breakdown of these lubricants into acids. Now here's a biggie: corrosion resistance ability. Factory authorized parts dryers meet very stringent engineering requirements to prevent the hydrolysis of refrigerants and formation of acids. Aftermarket dryers may not do this and could cause freeze-ups in the capillary tube or expansion valve. Finally, one of the biggest differences between these filter dryers is construction. The non-extended connections in aftermarket dryers could lead to damage of dryer components during soldering or brazing. Factory authorized parts have extended fittings that help to avoid this. Also, aftermarket fittings are often only copper plated as opposed to the solid copper found in factory authorized parts dryers. So there you have it, folks. As you can see, there are major differences between factory authorized parts filter dryers and aftermarket dryers. You'll definitely want to consider these differences the next time you need a dryer. They could make a big difference in the reliability and performance of your customers' systems. From Jim and everyone here at Totaline, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.